Good afternoon. Today I want to talk about something called the rule of five. It's what I use when I'm looking at doing revision tasks as we get closer towards the preliminary exams and final exams for our matrics. And the first thing is always to make sure that every learner has written their own notes, not just taken down your notes, but really made it their own by using trigger words that help them remember certain things. So for Skills Development Act, I always tell my kids to remember the word learnerships because that certainly does help. If we look at employment equity, they must remember the word affirmative for affirmative action. The next thing is obviously to get them to answer past exam questions. Research has shown that looking at past papers definitely is a factor towards boys or girls doing even better. Once they've answered those exam questions, they need to mark their own exam questions, see where they've gone wrong, remediate, go back and try and do it again. And then lastly, get them to set an exam themselves. So break up the paper into sections and let them even do it as a class activity where the one person sets the exam and the other one does the memo, and then they can then swap these exams with each other and mark each other's work. Again, it brings about a bit of competition. And then lastly, and most importantly, I like this one, is they then need to teach a class, share what they have learned and teach it with everyone else. So those are just 5 really quick ways of doing some form of revision. I hope that has helped. Have a blessed day.